Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix mouse cursor disappears inside document, address bar, search bar, not showing in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, a best match would appear. Please go with open to continue. You can also go with the shortcut, which is Windows key and I key together, and that will lead you to the settings, okay? And once you are here with the settings window, directly proceed to the left side of it where you can see a list of the options. Where here, you need to look for an option called Bluetooth and devices. Tap on it, and here under the Bluetooth and devices settings, you need to scroll down and look for mouse. Click on it, and the moment you have the click on it, there you need to proceed with the related settings. So simply scroll down, and at the very first of it, you can see there additional mouse settings. Now aligning to that, you would be able to see this arrow icon. Click on it, and a new window would appear, which is the mouse properties. Now please close the settings window so that you can focus on this small window, okay? So here you need to proceed to the second section, which is pointers. Click on it, and under the customize, you would be able to see a table there where here you need to select for text select, okay? Once you have selected it, there you would be able to see two options, which are use default and browse. Click on browse, and a new window would appear where here you need to scroll down. Okay, scroll down. So we just have to scroll down with it and look for this beam underscore R. Again, look for beam underscore R. Then click on open, and it will be set here. Click on apply and then OK. Once you have set it, check if your problem has been fixed. So try to open any of the document application that you have and type anywhere. So let's say for example, type. Now your problem has been fixed. Okay? So simply close this window and you're good to go. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.